Why do you think these foods and drinks are legal in the United States but are banned for health reasons in other countries? How many of these do you think you eat every day? Leave a comment below. Number 1, artificial food dyes. Some artificial food dyes such as yellow 5 and red 40 are banned in countries such as Norway and Austria due to concerns about their potential links to hyperactivity and ADHD in children. Number 2, brominated vegetable oil. Brominated vegetable oil, BVO, is a food additive used to keep citrus-flavored drinks from separating. It has been banned in the European Union, Japan, and other countries due to concerns about its potential links to neurological disorders and organ damage. Number 3, chlorinated chicken. Chicken that has been treated with chlorine to reduce the risk of bacterial contamination is legal in the United States, but banned in the European Union due to concerns about the potential health effects of chlorine and the use of chlorine as a band-aid solution for poor sanitation practices. Number 4, RBGH milk. Milk from cows treated with recombinant bovine growth hormone is legal in the United States but banned in the European Union, Canada, and other countries due to concerns about the hormone's potential links to cancer and other health issues. When I read a list like this, I think about how important it is to learn to grow nutrient-dense organic food. That's a cue for you to subscribe to this channel so that you can learn to grow your own food too. Number 5, genetically modified organisms, GMOs. While GMOs are legal in the United States, some countries such as France and Germany have banned or restricted the use of genetically modified crops due to concerns about their potential impact on the environment and human health. Number 6, potassium bromate. Potassium bromate is a food additive used to improve the texture of baked goods. It has been banned in countries such as Canada, the European Union, and even China due to concerns about its potential links to cancer. Number 7, artificial sweeteners. Some artificial sweeteners such as aspartame and saccharin are legal in the United States but banned in countries such as France and Japan due to concerns about their potential links to cancer and other health issues. My takeaway from this is that we really need to be diligent in reading the labels on our foods so we can cut down on our exposure to harmful chemicals that are in these processed foods. What other ingredients do you try to avoid? If you would like to learn more about my organic gardening channel, I'll leave a video link in this end screen.